Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. You would have seen me create this beautiful card, "When in doubt, be a unicorn," for a little girl who's having a unicorn party. She is my goddaughter, and she lives out of town, so I'm sending her a gift, all unicorn themed, and all things that my daughter loves. So my daughter loves bath bombs, so I'm sending this bath bomb to her. My daughter loves these little connect the dots and mazes pads. They're really fun little in the car sort of keep you busy things. And this, I'm sure my girls would love if they saw I had it. They probably want it. Also unicorn themed. It's a balloon ball, so super fun. But the thing that I'm going to show you as well is from 31, a customization I had made for her. This is the cinch sack thermal, and I thought it would be great for summer because she could either use it if they were going around and they wanted to keep snacks and stuff cool, or if she was going to the pool and she wanted to keep her swimsuit and everything that was wet, towels and stuff, in here without getting everything else wet. There's a nice little pocket here on the front that you can put separate little things in here. So I am going to ship this off to her, and I'm going to use this as the gift bag. But first I'm going to package everything up for her in here. And so I thought you might just like to see everything together. So here's how I really work all of my businesses and interests and talents together. I'm using 31 as well as Polka Dot Mailbox and my love of simple, cute here, gift wrap that is just fun. So I'm going to do the same thing I did in my last Happy Mail, and I am going to sprinkle in some sequins for fun. There we go. And I'm going to put in this one some added color and noise. I'm going to put some beads in here. I'll add to the fun little shaker part of things. Good little colors. Throw those in there. That's just a little one from the dollar store. I'm going to get some of my confetti and sprinkle that in there. There we go. Created by Tony. Card at the top of the bag. I'm actually just going to paper clip it right there. There, that's cuter. Then you can see the unicorn, and the surprises are inside in the bag. And attach this here as well. So I'm just going to take the two ends. I've taken the stickiness off of them. I'm going to use my tiny attacher, and I'm just going to come in and staple that together so it can freely move about on there. It's not damaged anything, and it'll be able to easily come off, but it'll sit on the top. When she opens it up, it'll be there sitting cute. And pretty. Tissue paper. And some confetti. And we're done. And here is another gift that I have customized. It's that time of year where we're giving out teachers' gifts. This is for my daughter's grade 2 teacher. She has been just wonderful. So I've designed this bag for her, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to fill it. I decided to order this in for her. This came in my FabFitFun box. It is the perfect size. It's the silicone wine glasses. What a pair. Perfect for summer break. It fits in there to a T. And to go with it, I really wanted to buy her a bottle of wine. I knew that it would fit nicely in this bag. I wanted to have something small my daughter could carry to school. And then I also went to get her a Rose Water and Ivy Bath and Body Works soap. I always find soap is so handy, and I wanted to keep everything in the kit, which fits absolutely perfectly in this space. I wanted to keep everything in this kit pink, even though it doesn't coordinate with the bag. I normally would like to have this be pink, but because the apple leaf was green, I chose the green text for the sentiment, and my daughter picked this out. So she designed this. I let her decide what her wording would be on it and what picture and everything she wanted. Also, I am going to include a kit. I will let my daughter decide if she would like to have You Are My Favorite or I Like You Lots, because this year has been really wonderful for my daughter. The teacher is so kind and loving and caring, so we're gonna let my daughter decide which one of those we'll tuck into there, and that's what it'll look like if she decides for that one, or both of them being pink, both of them having the sentiment that we want to definitely let the teacher know we were just so grateful for her this year. So I thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again next time.